Today we are celebrating our first grandest Extreme 111 Carcinals meetup. We have a total of 150 different cars who have attended, from supercars like Maserati, Corvette Stingray, Porsche, and muscle cars like Mustangs, Chrysler 300, Camaro. Pero hindi pa lahat to Mostly Metro Manila, wala pang provincial area. Ganyan kalaki ang Extreme 111 Carcinals. Para kasi sa amin, this is not just about cars. It's about our dreams, our dream cars. Together, we are called to influence and make difference.
Dito kami ngayon sa pinakamalaking gathering dito sa Uptown Parade Taguig. Grabe, kasi pinakamalaking Extreme Carcinal event for 6 years, 150 cars nag-gather, pinakamarami may resulta. Dati pinapangarap lang namin to, pero ngayon nangyari na. Sino nagakala? 4 people nag-start na Extreme ngayon. Imagine mo 150 cars, and take note, Metro Manila pa lang to. 300 plus sa buong Pilipinas. Hindi mo na i-count yung mga taong naglabas sa resulta sa ibang bansa. Kaya iniimbitahan namin kayo. Napakasaya, nakakabaliw, nakaka-excite. Feeling blessed talaga. And syempre, mas masaya kung next time kasama ka namin. Extreme!
Thank you all for coming and being part of Carcinal history.
Come and join us for our next Extreme 111 Carcinal!